Do you know what stative verbs are? They're not usually used in the present continuous form. Plus, some verbs can be stative or dynamic depending on how they're used. Stative verbs often talk about thoughts and opinions. For example, believe, know, recognize, agree, remember. They also describe feelings and emotions. For example, dislike, hate, love, prefer, wish. They also talk about senses and perceptions. For example, appear, see, smell, hear, look. They also talk about possession and measurement. For example, weigh, own, have, belong, possess. Thanks for watching, everyone, and thanks for listening. If you like the video, please give it the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for notifications of new videos.